Hello, sixth graders. Mr. Newman here. So, yesterday in class, we were working on a new note taking strategy called keyword notes. So, what you'll need today to help you finish your keyword notes is you'll need your note sheet from class. You can take that out of your expandable. You'll need a pencil or a pen or something to write with, the MNHS app, and you're going to want to find the appendix. So, when you get to that main page where you see all the chapters, you're going to scroll all the way down to where you see 19 and 20, and then right next to that is the appendix. You're going to need that maybe as a reference as you work your way through the keyword notes to add details. So, yesterday in class, we learned about the county government. We read the paragraphs, we added 3 to 4 keywords in this first box. Once we were done with that, we moved on to county or city governments. So as we read about city governments, again, we added 3 to 4 keywords in that box. Township government was next, where we added 3 to 4 keywords about that box. And then finally, we looked at the school district and what the school board does and what their main role is. So now that you have your 3 to 4 keywords in each of those 4 boxes, what we're going to do next is this big box down here. And that's what we should have blank at this point. So what this is where you're going to write a summary and you're going to add details then to these keywords that you have in those 4 boxes from above. So using the keywords from the boxes, write a short summary explaining the purpose of the county, city, township, and school board or school district. And that summary is going to be written down here. So what we're doing is we're taking those keywords and we're adding details around them. So if you remember, we were looking for those bullseye words, and those were the words that we would use for the keywords. Now we're going to use those words that go on the outside of the bullseye, kind of that will help us explain using detail within our writing. Your summary should include the keywords that you used up here with supporting details. So I'm going to give you an example. So the first local government we looked at was the county. Some of our words that we talked about in class were enforce, departments, taxes, and finally elections, one of the jobs of the county. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these keywords and I'm going to add detail around it and write a short summary down here for that. So this is what one might look like. It says the main role of the county governments are to enforce laws, collect taxes, and oversee elections. There are many departments that provide services to the people living in the county, such as issuing driver's license and helping people who may have lost their job. So as you can see, I used the words from above, and I can tell that by underlining the words that I have up here. And then I added details around why these words are important. Now, if you need some extra help to find detail, this is where that app will come in handy. So you'll want to go to the appendix on those pages that I showed you before here. We go back to these pages. You'll want to use these, so city governments, county governments here, to add some detail. So feel free to go back into the text and pull detail from the reading. That will help you as you move forward in creating your summaries here. If you have questions, please come and see me during office hours. Email me and I can help you out. This should be done for class tomorrow, so we're ready to move on to our next step. Again, if you need anything, please email me or come to office hours and I can help you out. So what you're going to do next then is the same as what I did here, but for the city, the township, and the school district. So when you're finished, you'll have 4 short summaries down below. If you need more space, just add another piece of paper, or you can just write a little bit smaller than I have here. But enjoy, push yourself. Remember the rubber bands, stretch yourself a little bit, stretch your thinking, dig deeper into adding good detail into your writing. So a couple of kids said today, I should tell you one thing before I leave, and that is to like and subscribe below. Trying to get my subs up, I guess. I think I only have 14 subs right now. Whatever that means, I don't know. But a couple boys were telling me that I should mention that. So like and subscribe below. and we'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.